example 10, find grade resistance. We're going to have a formula for grade resistance. Force in pounds equals the weight of the automobile times sine theta. This is not something you're going to have to memorize, but I'll give it to you and you should be able to use it. So W is the weight. Now, one thing it's important to notice that this is going to be positive when it's going uphill. Theta will be positive when it's going uphill, and theta will be negative when we're going downhill. So we got the formula. The formula was F equals W sine theta, where W was the weight. 10A says calculate F to the nearest 10 pounds for a 2,500 pound car traveling an uphill grade with theta equal to 2.5. This is just plug and chug. We've got a 2,500 pound car times sine 2.5 degrees. So we're going to do You're going to do it on your device, and you're going to get 109.05 or something like that. Okay, but it says round to the nearest 10 pounds, so that's 110 pounds. 110 pounds. Okay, so part B, find F for a 5,000 pound truck traveling downhill with a grade of negative 6.1 degrees. So again, just plug it in. Type that in on your calculator. You're going to get about negative 531.32. So round to the nearest 10 pounds, that's negative 530 pounds. Part C, there's a little bit more to it. A little bit harder to understand than just plug and chug because they don't give you the weight of the car. They say do it for theta equals 0. So F equals whatever the weight is times sine 0. Okay. Well, sine 0, look at your chart. Sine 0 is 0. So W times 0 is just going to be 0. The force is 0. On the other hand, if the degree was 90, or if the angle was 90 degrees, sine 90 degrees is 1, and so force is going to be W times 1, or just W. Now I realize that's a little bit hard to understand what in the heck that means, so let me draw you a picture. Okay? If we've got an angle theta equals 0 degrees, look at what happens to the car. Okay, you've got a car. Okay, nothing. There's no force acting on that. But if theta equals 90 degrees, look at our car now. Okay, what's happening to the car? Well, it's probably just going to free fall according to whatever its weight is. So that's why the force is equal to the weight of the car on a 90-degree angle. It's just falling.